What's up, y'all? My name is Ruthie, and this is my channel, Unique Nails by Ruthie. I have an unboxing for you guys. It is the YoungNails. I don't know if you can see it the way I got my camera. I can't really tell. But the YoungNails large mystery box. I got one. I'm going to unbox it with you. As you can see, I have not opened it yet. I did see the unboxing when Greg leaked it. I did see it, and then I have been watching other people unbox theirs, so I do know what's in it, but I'm still excited to unbox it. This is my first mystery box I've ever gotten. I wanted another one, but my funds only allowed me to get this one, so we're gonna unbox it and see what is inside. Right where I want to go. I'm actually going to put it to the side because this is a big box. This box is lightweight, as big as my desk. I'm gonna put it off to the side and then just take stuff out of it and show you guys. So the first thing I'm gonna unbox is the Slick 4. I have some of this, but not this specific color. It's Flash and Burn. Hopefully y'all seen it. I know I seen one unboxing where she couldn't unbox it. Open it. Oh, but it spilled though. That was stupid. Oh my God. It's going to get everywhere, and I hate glitter. All right, let's see what we can do. Starting off strong, ain't we? Starting off strong. All right, so I'm gonna just have to. This is the waist for real. But I mean, it's filled to the brim. So that's a good thing, right? It's a pretty color. Alright, go back on there, right? Alright, y'all, I'm back. I don't know why I did not put this down first, but I should have, because that would have been a smart idea. Moving on. We got sanding bands, 150, grit, 100 pack, sanding bands, always need those. I'm just grabbing and going. So you got a mandarin bit, a diamond cuticle bit, medium grit, the implements, 6-piece tool implements. Let's open this. It's actually a tool in here that I don't have, that I'm excited that I got, because I will be offering pedicures. So, a little bit about me. I am from Michigan. I'm new to doing nails. I've been doing them on myself for a little while, but as far as like taking clients and doing them on other people. I'm fairly new to doing that. So y'all will be seeing those sets coming soon as I get my clientele up, because it's hard for real. Don't let nobody lie and tell you that it's not, because everybody has their nail tech that they like and that they go to. I like this box, and it's difficult getting new clients. Pretty. Get that cuticle. I've never used this before, so I'm not entirely sure what that's for, but we got it. I know this is to dig out the side of the cuticle, but this scraper to get the acrylic off, I needed one of these. So excited that I got one. All right, so that's that. Let's do these gel paints, because I'm upset about this glitter. I'm not gonna lie. I'm still in my feels about that glitter. So we got 6 of these cream clays. Now y'all let me know in the comments if you want me to either demo any of the product, but I am going to be doing a set with the stuff that I got. So we got this color. This is Stalker Paws. Let's open it, push these aside. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Okay. Hopefully you can see it and it's not a glare, but that's really pretty. Looks like a burgundy, but I seen it. I forget what color this was. Uncrooked. So. Like a plum, a shimmery plum. It's really pretty. This red, this is good on paper. Speaking of paper, I gotta retake my state board so I can be a licensed nail tech. I went to school back in March. Crazy thing is, tell me why I failed my practical by 1 point. I was salty. So that is going to be coming up. I will keep y'all posted and let y'all know how that's going. That's really pretty. It's like a burnt orange. This is grown-up table. Yeah, like a pumpkin. I like this color too. I'm not a fan of pumpkin though, I ain't gonna lie. The only time I would eat pumpkin is in Granny's pumpkin upside down cake. I would eat pumpkin that way. This is Snoozer Town. Ooh, I like this blue. It's like a royal blue. I'm gonna see if we can use these paints to do nail art. Cause it's like I said, I've seen other people unbox them and it's like a thinner consistency, but it's full coverage. This is high flaunting. It's like a dark, like a royal green, or like a, I want to say sage, but not really, like a darker, maybe. So those are the cream clays. I'll put them off to the side. We're gonna go to the next item. Art pens. I've never used these before, and I'm trying to get my nail art game up, so hopefully this is something that can help. I did watch a demo on it on how to use them. I'll open it and look at the colors, so hopefully I'll be able to figure it out. One more, two more. So we have this. Do we have a name? Nope, I don't have a name. It's like a turquoise type of color. Oh, look at that point though. I know I still got glitter on my gloves. I know. This is white. But they have like a paint smell. They really have a paint smell. Look at this. Maybe it's a brown? Like a brown or goldish color maybe? I don't know if you can see it with my gloves being so dark. Baby blue. Pink. Ooh, that's on leaking. Red, I'm assuming, or it might be burgundy. No, it looks more red. Hopefully y'all can see it. And it's not contrasting too bad because of the dark background. Black. Now I would probably use this to shade and do my outlines. Looks like we got gray. I know you ain't gonna see that. Just like the black. But these points though, I feel like them sharp edges. Green. Purple. Like tan maybe? I think this is tan. Oh, that one kind of got bent a little bit. Might could save it. We'll see if I can push it back up and put it back together. And last but not least, yellow. Come on, yellow. Okay. It comes with 12 of them. all of the colors. We got these medium stiletto no weld tips, 550. Now that's another brand that has no weld tips that I really like. Let's see. I know the glitter, I know. Cause I'm getting it all dirty. They're sturdy though. It feels like it's thinner at the ends, and then the tip feels a lot more stiffer. Yeah. Oh crap. Oh, it's on my finger. Ha! And I still do it anyway. Those are the tips. I can't wait to try these. I'm gonna use everything in the mystery box to do a set. Next we got the chrome palette. I have some chromes, but they're like a jelly chrome, but they don't really chrome like they're supposed to, in my opinion. Come on. Okay, here we go. Now these are some pretty colors: red, silver, gold, purple, and blue. These are really pretty. I've seen a lot of hacks on how to apply chrome, so hopefully I can get one that'll work and I'm actually able to put it on a nail. Those are the chrome powders. I'm just grabbing and going, grabbing and going. All right, what are these? It's the mini fiber with keratin. It is pink shimmer. I feel like it's a little dusty. Oh, this bad boy thick. But I like it though. This is stain resistant top coat. See if this is thick or not. Oh no, it's not thick. I thought it was gonna be thick because I got a YoungNails top coat, but it's really thick. I'm avoiding the glitter, I'm not gonna lie. I'm still in my feelings. So we got the 6-piece nail art kit. I have been needing some new nail art brushes, no lie. And it has an ombre brush in it. So that's what I'm really excited about. So my ombre can ombre with the pack that they go in. It's leather, I feel like it's leather. Come on now. There we go. Alright, so we got a circle brush. I believe you can use this to do the clay powder. Dang it. I know I was gonna do that. All right, I got it. Saved. This reminds me of like a cleanup brush. I can't for sure say that's what it is, but it's number 2. The first one was number 1. Oh, be good to me. This, I believe, is a 3D nail art. So I'm gonna see, because I've been practicing doing my 3D flowers. And the one I got one at, it was like an Amazon kit and it came in there. So I'm excited to use a different one and see how good or bad it comes out. This is a liner brush. Like I said, it don't say like the millimeters, but it's number 4. Hopefully y'all can see it. Another liner brush. Black gloves is probably a bad idea, but that's all I got. Is black gloves. This is number 5. And last but not least, this ombre brush. Like I said, I'm excited to use this. And this is number 6. We made it. I'm gonna just put it in the pack now. So once I'm done shooting this video, I'm gonna throw all my trash away. Handy dandy pouch. Alright. Okay, fine. We'll do the glitters. I was avoiding them because I was like, wait, sorry. I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 glitters. Alright. Now this is After Curfew. But you got this one in. No, please don't spill. Be nice to me and not spill. So what are y'all working on out there in YouTube? Ooh, I like this. Oh, let me stop or I'll mess around and spill it all. Really shimmery, iridescent. This Silver Hollow Trees. I was looking for something to encapsulate. I can use these. Oh, one came out. It's stuck on my finger, y'all. They look like little pine trees, though. You see them on the top. They're cute. That's the hollow glitter. Next we got blue, and this is Angel Itch. Angel Itch. I got a whole pile of stuff over there. I'm gonna pick it up. Okay. Now, when I do this set, please don't ask for something glitter related. But I mean, I will do it. Not gonna lie, I will do it. But soon forget. I'm gonna soon forget that I spilled all that glitter everywhere. I don't know where that tree just came from. This is also another shimmery. It's like a deep pink. If I could say a color, I would say deep pink. Or purple maybe. It could be purple too. Like a light lilac type of color. Oh, excuse me. Reindeer tears. Oh, excuse me. Oh, but this one ain't got as much as the other ones. A little cheated. Felt a little cheated. But it's pretty though. Those are all 5 glitters. I might have to blow my nose. Now this is what I was most excited about when I was watching the spoiler alert, is the extreme low odor trial kit that they gave us. Cause I stay in an apartment and the smell, I don't want it to be too overwhelming for my neighbors. So this was something that I was actually looking into buying when I seen they were gonna release it. So I'm excited that they gave it to us in this mystery box. So let's check these colors out. We got a sheer pink. Bright pink. And how big is these? I wonder how big these are. I wonder how many sets you can get out of these. Bright pink. They have it's like, it's not a smell, but it doesn't smell like powder, if that makes sense. This is bright white. Oh, what is this? This is covered nude. This probably be the one that I use when I try them. Because I work with monomer, and like I said, it is strong. I even got one of those dispensing things where you push the top. It still smells. This is clear. I don't know why I showed you that, but that's clear. And then you got your protein bond. Gotta have that. And then the monomer. It still smells like it, but I'm assuming when you put the two together, like I said, the bright pink was the only one that kind of had a smell. but not like powder. And last but not least, the drill. Now I have a drill. I like my drill. I'm not gonna lie. I got it off of Tumi, and I like my drill. But we're gonna see what YoungNails is bringing to the table, because I can change my tablecloth. Let's do it this way. Hopefully I don't hit the camera. Alright, those are your instructions. And I know they said charge it before you use it. This is actually really light. I'm surprised. The box feels heavy, but this is light. There it goes. It is a flame fine carbine bit. And the drill. I like the lock and unlock ones. Let's see. Let me stop. I'm gonna put it back in the package. I probably used everything out of the mystery box to do a set. So that includes the drill. Then you got your charging or your adapter. Well, I feel like something else is in here. Maybe not. But I thought it was. But that is everything, you guys. I'll do a cut too and try to squeeze everything in here so you can see it all on my little desk, my workstation. But this is where the money resides, okay? And that is it though, you guys. That's all of the stuff that I got in my YoungNails large mystery box. Acrylic extreme low odor system, the glitters, the fiber manicure, the non-stain resistant top coat, all 6 of their cream clays. Oh, I'm missing a powder. Sanding bands, mandarin, diamond cuticle, chrome palette, pedicure tools. Yeah, this. Art brushes in the case are ready to go. Tips. Oh, I'm actually. This doggone glitter slick pour. I'm over it. I swear I'm over it. I'm not gonna hold on to it. And then the nail art pens. But that is everything though, you guys. So y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want me to demo any other products that's in the mystery box. But I will be dropping a video of me using the extreme low odor. I'm gonna do a set on myself. So if y'all have any ideas, I want to do fall. I'm gonna try to hang on to the last little end of fall before we get into December, before we start doing these Christmas sets. So if y'all have any nail inspo pics, drop them in the comments. But that is it. And again, my name is Ruthie, and this is my channel, Unique Nails by Ruthie. I'm gonna see y'all later.